The Citroen C5 Aircross SUV has been updated for 2022. New versions of Citroen's family SUV get a refreshed look that's said to be more mature, and higher-spec trim levels benefit from a larger 10-inch touchscreen. The facelifted C5 Aircross will go on sale in the next few months, with updated prices yet to be announced. At the front, Citroen's separate light clusters have been replaced with a combined unit. There are two stacked LED daytime running lights, which link up with newly illuminated strakes on the grille. Redesigned air intakes also feature. Around the back, the tail lights get a new design. The 18-inch alloy wheels and the Eclipse Blue paint color shown on this car are both new. Color packs are available to personalize your C5 Aircross. You can choose from black, chrome, bronze and blue, and these accents feature on the front air intakes and Citroen's funky Airbumps. Choose the hybrid model and you'll get stylized H badges. Citroen aims to make the facelifted C5 Aircross feel more premium, so the materials and technology inside have both been overhauled. A new, larger touchscreen is available on models that have sat-nav fitted, and the screen now sits above a bank of air vents, rather than between them. Moving the touchscreen further up should make it easier to view and use while driving, although you'll still need to use the screen to adjust the cabin temperature. As before, a configurable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is available. This can be programmed to show the sat-nav map, information on the driver assistance systems and driving information. Up to 20 driver assistance systems are available. These include semi-autonomous driving capability in the form of highway assist, which bundles adaptive cruise control, autonomous stop and go and lane keeping assistance. With individually sliding rear seats, the C5 Aircross is a practical SUV. Boot space is up to 720 liters with the seats fully forward. Its 580 liters with the seats pushed back is still far more than you get in a Ford Kuga or Nissan Qashqai. The plug-in hybrid offers between 460 and 600 liters. Citroen tells us the plug-in hybrid version has accounted for more than 30% of sales in Europe. It can travel up to 34 miles on electric power when fully charged, so it's possible to do the average daily commute without using any fuel. Recharging from a home wallbox takes less than 2 hours.